Hi guys. Are you vlogging?
Can you see yourself holding by my side 50 years from now? Whoa, you keep me in my youth, it gives me peace of mind that 50 years from now you'll still be in my life. Oh, I'll be here with you. Oh, I'll be here when I'm with you. You're with me everywhere the bells are ringing. I'll follow you, so shelter me. Can't you hear the angels singing? Have I earned your love? Am I good enough to walk hand in hand till we're older? If I'm good enough, sign me up. Summers come and go, and the winters get so wild. No matter what the seasons bring, you always make me smile. We're living in a dream, a little place to hide. We can ride the train to nowhere for a little while. Oh, I'll be here with you. When I'm with you, you're with me everywhere the bells are ringing. I'll follow you, so shelter me. Can't you hear the angels singing? Have I earned your love? Am I good enough to walk hand in hand till we're older? If I'm good enough, sign me up. I'll be here with you. I'll be here. Let's get to the heart of it, living life along the way. Ooh, let's get to the heart of it, living life along the way. I'll be here with you. I'll be here with you. Follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done. Breathe in the air, set your intentions, dream with care. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. brand new moon and brand new sun. So follow the sun, the direction of the birds, the direction of love. Breathe in the air, cherish this moment, cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. A brand new moon, brand new sun. When you feel life coming down on you like a heavy weight, when you feel this crazy society adding to the strain, take a stroll to the nearest water's edge. Remember your place. Many moons have risen and fallen long before you came. So which way is the wind blowing? And what does your heart say? So follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day is done.